What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Cardano because this coin just broke a resistance of this falling wedge, and after a support confirmation we are having here a nice pump. So if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to do on this coin, and also if you are interested about the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a 12-hour chart. As I said in the intro, if you saw my last analysis, I told you that I'm watching here this falling wedge. And you can see that after a breakout and support confirmation, which was like absolutely perfect, we had here a pump around like 9%. Right now, I think there is pretty high probability that we are gonna test this bearish order block, which is between level 0.456 and 0.435. So from this current level, there is still room for a pump around like 8 to like 13% of a net market. Does it mean that right now we have here a good opportunity for a long trade? Well, it depends. I will show you the exact setups that I'm doing later in this video. But for example, on a 12-hour chart is, in my opinion, like this is not the best idea, because if you will place your stop loss somewhere to this bearish order block, and you will place your stop loss, for example, like under this previous low, it will give you risk reward ratio around like 1.2. If you will place it above this bearish order block, it will be about like 2.1, which is, in my opinion, not that great, especially if you want to take multiple take profit targets. So for me, opening a long position right now is not the best idea. But if you, for example, watched my last analysis and you bought this support confirmation, then definitely some of the profits you should take under this bearish order block. So let's say around the level 0.4287, something like that, which should be a profit around like 11-12%, something like that, which is, in my opinion, really good. Let's now take a look on a daily time frame, which is probably the most common time frame that a lot of you are gonna watch after a support confirmation of this falling wedge. Here we have this main resistance area, which is between level 0.522 and 0.496. So let's say for this area to be tested, there still needs to be a pump around like 23 to like 30% of a net market. Does it mean that right now there is like a good opportunity for a potential long trade? Well, it's definitely better than, for example, on the 12-hour chart, because right now we are having a risk reward ratio around 5. So if you will, for example, take some of the profit, for example, like under this previous highs, this bearish order block, and above this area, then yeah, this can be definitely a really good trade. But for me, if we take a look from a long time perspective, Cardano is really undervalued. So this bearish order block is definitely not the area that I think Cardano is gonna hit. And for me, because we broke this falling wedge and the whole market is in the heavy bullish uptrend, right now I think there's pretty high probability that we are gonna test the $1 mark, which should be a pump from this level around like 150%. Of course, this move is not gonna happen in a couple of weeks. Probably it will be in like a couple of months. But if we take a look, for example, on a weekly time frame, you can see this coin is still heavily undervalued. So if in the upcoming bull market we are gonna reach this $1 mark, it will be, as I said, 150 almost percent profit over net market. And if we are, for example, gonna get to like $1.6, which I think it's definitely possible, I am telling in like upcoming bull market, not in the couple of weeks, then this can be a pump around like 300%. So yeah, as I said, in my opinion, this coin is still really undervalued, and we are having here really decent opportunities for opening a potential long trade. Another potential opportunity for a long trade will be valid in case of another retest of this falling wedge. I know that we already had here one support confirmation, so if we are gonna test this area again, there is not that, let's say, high probability that this is gonna go up, but we can still trade it because the potential risk to reward will be really great. So let's assume we will test this, let's say, previous resistance area somewhere around this, and in this case you want to place your stop loss under this previous important resistance area, which is between level 0.372 and 0.3 0.57, because right now this is like an important support, so the stop loss will be around like 6% of a net market, and your last take profit target you can place again above this bearish order block, which should give you a trade around like 7 risk to reward. So if you will place multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio is going to be like 4, maybe 4.5, something like that, which is in my opinion really good. Or if you want, you can place it like above above this current bearish order block, or for example under that $1 mark, which can be also your final take profit target, which can give you risk reward ratio up to 27. So yeah, this can be another trade that you can be watching. But if I will be opening another long position on this coin, then I am probably gonna aim for something around like 0.65, yeah, something like that, because this will be a profit around like 70%. So with potential stop loss 6%, this is more than 10 risk to reward, and that's a trade that I wanna take. And if you, for example, want to copy my exact trades, or if you simply want to copy my exact analysis, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, because I'm sharing there those analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. If you are interested about some trading setups on a lower time frame, then you can see that, for example, if we take a look on the 1 hour chart, we simply have here, let's say, more of a important bearish order blocks. But for me, these are not areas that I want to trade like now, because let's say setups on a higher time frames, for example, if we are having here a support confirmation of a falling wedge on a daily time frame, this is, let's say, much more important than some setup on like 15 or like a 30-minute chart. For example, this bullish order block on a 30-minute chart, which is between level 0.381 and 0.377, yeah, this can be an interesting long opportunity if there will be, let's say, fake out with a support confirmation, because let's say it's same as this potential resistance of the previous falling wedge. So if we are gonna do a support confirmation here, you can also open here a trade on a 30 minutes time frame with a stop loss under the low that we will create during the fake out, and probably the last take profit target above this bearish order block, which can give you a trade with risk reward ratio around 10. But besides that, I will be right now focusing on this falling wedge, and if certain conditions are met, as I said in today's video, I will be thinking about another long trade. But for now, if you trade this support confirmation, you should be in a nice profit. If you trade it in like a different altcoin, it's like not even matter. A lot of altcoins were pumping for the past couple of days. So yeah, I would congratulate to everybody who took this pump on this crypto market with us. And if you, as I said, want to know about all the cryptos that I'm watching right now, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group. But yeah, guys, this will be all from me for today. I would like to thank you for watching this video till the end. Also, I will be really happy if you consider subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.